the incredible connection between your body language and happiness. Ever feel like you're faking it till you make it? What if I told you that faking it with your body language could actually make you feel happier? Let's dive into the fascinating science behind how your posture, gestures, and even your smile can dramatically impact your mood and overall well-being. Our bodies and minds are in constant communication. It's a two-way street. Your thoughts and feelings influence your posture, but guess what? Your posture can also influence your thoughts and feelings. Think about it. When you're sad, you tend to slump. When you're confident, you stand tall. This isn't just a coincidence. It's a powerful feedback loop. Good posture isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling good. Studies have shown that sitting up straight can actually boost your mood and increase your energy levels. Try it right now. Sit up tall, shoulders back, and head held high. Notice any difference in how you feel. Adopting an upright posture can also reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. It's like a natural mood booster, available to you anytime, anywhere. Smiling is contagious, and for good reason. It triggers the release of endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in your brain. Even a forced smile can have a positive impact. Your brain doesn't always know the difference between a genuine and a fake smile, so it still releases those happy hormones. So even when you don't feel like it, try smiling. You might be surprised at how quickly your mood improves. Your gestures can also influence how you feel and how others perceive you. Open and expansive gestures convey confidence and openness. Avoid crossing your arms or hunching over, as these can signal defensiveness or insecurity. Instead, use your hands to emphasize your points and connect with others. Mirroring the gestures of the person you're talking to can also build rapport and create a sense of connection. It's a subtle but powerful way to improve your communication. Amy Cuddy's research on power posing has shown that holding expansive postures for just a few minutes can increase feelings of power and confidence. Before a big meeting or presentation, try striking a power pose in private. Stand tall, hands on your hips like Wonder Woman. This simple act can actually change your hormone levels, increasing testosterone, associated with dominance, and decreasing cortisol, the stress hormone. When you're stressed, your body tends to tense up. Consciously relaxing your muscles can help to alleviate stress and anxiety. Try progressive muscle relaxation, where you systematically tense and release different muscle groups in your body. This can help you become more aware of your body's tension and learn to release it. Deep breathing exercises can also help to calm your nervous system and reduce feelings of stress. Focus on taking slow, deep breaths, filling your lungs completely. Start paying attention to your body language throughout the day. Notice how you're sitting, standing, and moving. Make small adjustments to improve your posture, gestures, and facial expressions. Even subtle changes can have a big impact on your mood and confidence. Practice power posing before important events. Smile more often even when you don't feel like it. Be mindful of your body language and use it to your advantage. We all have negative body language habits that we've developed over time. Identifying these habits is the first step to overcoming them. Do you tend to slouch? Do you avoid eye contact? Do you fidget when you're nervous? Once you're aware of these habits, you can start to consciously change them. Be patient with yourself. It takes time and effort to break old habits and develop new ones. But with practice, you can transform your body language and your life. It's important to use body language authentically and ethically. Don't try to manipulate or deceive others with your body language. Focus on using your body language to express your true self and connect with others in a genuine way. Authenticity is key to building trust and rapport. Remember, body language is just one aspect of communication. It's important to also be mindful of your words and your tone of voice. Your body language is a powerful tool that you can use to improve your mood, boost your confidence, and reduce stress. By understanding the connection between your body and mind, you can unlock your full potential. Start experimenting with different postures, gestures, and facial expressions. See what works best for you. Be mindful of your body language and use it to create the life you want. Ready to take control of your happiness and confidence? Start today. Practice power posing for just 2 minutes each day. Pay attention to your posture and make small adjustments throughout the day. Smile more often even when you don't feel like it. And most importantly, be mindful of your body language and use it to your advantage. Now go out there and conquer the world with your newfound confidence. Share this video with someone who needs a boost. And let's create a world filled with confident and happy individuals. Subscribe below for more daily inspiration.